Well, Bob, it feels nice out there tonight. It feels like, I guess, how it should at this time of
exactly.
year, right?
Normal temperatures are expected tomorrow morning, mid-50s for the most part, upper 50s near the beaches. We had clear skies tonight and allowed us to see the International Space Station go on by just after 6 o'clock today. And we'll see another chance on Friday, right at 6:09. So there's another chance for it as it comes by on Friday. So if you didn't see it tonight, you'll be able to see it then. And skies should be clear that night, too. Right now, you can see this is a great shot that was sent in recently to our pics at mysuncoast.com. Susanna sending that one in from the Venice Jetty. Some sunshine there. And as far as the overall picture goes on the satellite and radar imagery, not many clouds around here. There's some clouds down to our south, a few showers along the east coast and down through the Florida Straits, but all in all, fairly quiet here. What we have right now, basically, across the area is a stationary front that exists right across South Florida. This stationary front continues to bring some clouds and showers there, but not much going on here for us. We are a little bit cooler tonight. In fact, some cooler temperatures have moved in. We'll see low temperatures close to seasonal averages here. And as far as that fog forecast goes, current fog, not a problem at all. It was pretty quiet out there right now as far as clear skies go. 59 degrees, the humidity 90%, winds are out of the north-northeast at 5. The pressure continues to rise at this hour at 30.22. And with the temperature and dew point still a little bit far apart, we're not seeing any fog form. The high today was below average at 1 degree, 71, and this morning's low was well above it at 64 degrees and no rainfall report. It's been dry and will stay that way too. It looks like right through the weekend. Dry conditions anticipated as a result of a large area of high pressure, which will continue to dominate the weather over much of the eastern part of the nation. Now 41 degrees in Jacksonville, so that's the dew point temperatures. You can see those have continued to drop this evening. Still pretty high down to our south in Key West. And as far as actual temperatures go, pretty cool in places like Tallahassee and Jacksonville. 55 degrees now in Orlando, 71 the actual temperature now in Miami. Already down into the mid-50s in Arcadia. 57 degrees in Mayaca City, 57 degrees in Punta Gorda. Temperatures a little bit warmer right near the water, where the water temperature now is at 70 degrees. Forecast tomorrow looks a little bit better. More sunshine and a little bit warmer, too. It was pretty chilly today. High temperatures, we're not used to it. We're in the low 70s. Typically, we can see a high right around 72, 73. We'll be above that, 77 degrees, with, I think, more sunshine in the mix, as that fog will still be around in some areas, but not a lot. And we're looking for that to burn off pretty quickly. Well, the storm track is now shifting out west. There's a big trough of low pressure that's going to develop here and then ridging off into the eastern United States. And what that usually means, the ridging brings fair skies, and the trough is where the low pressure systems start to develop. So you can see that already happening here in Southern California into Arizona. And there's another big storm system off into the Pacific, which will make its way onshore. Watches and warnings, well, they're out there, but not many in the eastern two-thirds of the nation. All of them are pretty much out west, where we have winter storm warnings in effect, where you see the area in pink, the Sierra Nevada range, and winter weather advisories in effect. And it looks like this pattern is going to stick around, too, for a while out west. 32 in Buffalo, right at freezing right there. Same in Omaha, Wichita at 33, and Salt Lake City at 32 degrees. Dallas at 55, and they're actually warming up a little bit from what they saw earlier this week. 46 in Macon. For us, a little bit of cloudiness, a little bit of fog around. Much better, though, more sunshine. Front kind of dies out to the north of us on Friday, and we'll stick around with the warmer temperatures. Highs in the low 80s on Christmas Day. Patchy fog, north winds at 10 knots. Seas will be 2 feet with a light chop. But their water temperature at 70. It's still pretty warm for this time of year. Beaches will see a high near 76 degrees. Low tide upcoming, and then a high tide at 7:45. The forecast shapes up like this for tonight. Some fog late. And then we'll see mostly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, morning fog burns off quicker, 77 for a high. The extended forecast calls for warmer temperatures, 80s right on in through this first full week of winter. Scott?